to this.
It's 11th of July and it's currently 2:30 at night, and as you might have seen from the previous clips, it's my brother's birthday as well. Actually, those clips were a bit embarrassing because I was the only one who forced him to dance on that song, and also I'm the only one who is putting that video in this vlog as well. Okay, it's just for fun. I hope that he'll not kill me after seeing that. Well, being an elder sister, it's my duty to make him feel a bit special today. So I will be decorating the place where he's going to cut his cake. Actually, it's necessary to do that, but yeah, being a neat aspirant, I was just thinking like, क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है, बर्थडे ही तो है. But then again, I thought that no, he's my little brother, so I should be doing it for him. And as much as I know, this day is going to be the most unproductive day. uh, from like last 2-3 months I've been like putting a lot of efforts to complete all of my class 11th, and also I had made some of the backlogs. I had not given two exams, like last two exams, so we'll be giving one tomorrow. uh, what else? Yeah, that's it, and nothing else. So we'll be meeting you tomorrow, and also we'll be showing you the whole birthday vlog. We'll be trying to study a bit because I don't want to sleep with regret. We'll be trying to study a bit, and yeah, this day is going to be the more of fun side, as I have mentioned in my previous video as well. So yeah, watch till end, and I hope that you will like it because it is kind of sort of first vlog of mine. I don't know what people used to do. Okay, so let's go start. But before that, I just want to show you something. Actually, this is kind of a living room, but we use it as a party hall kind of thing. And also, I have kept all of the soft toys right there, and also some of the happy birthday balloons for a thing. So we'll be decorating those tomorrow. And also take a look at it. My mom also made a cake for him. Small child.
The next day.
Well, good morning, everyone. This is the morning of 11th of July, and it is the birthday day. And I just love these kind of weather, bit of windy, not so hot. It's the perfect weather for me. And I woke up a bit late as it was Sunday, but it's 9:40 right now. I'm done with all of my daily work, and here my brother is assembling all of those happy birthday wala balloons, as he's the birthday boy, so he should not be doing all of this, but yes, it's fine. Well, it was raining right now, and I went to my parents' room to just watch this beautiful rain. And yeah, I just love watching these kind of things. I just love nature. As I had not appeared two of the exams earlier, so it was the time to appear one of them. And yes, that's the reason I came here. Well, everything was ready, and as you can see that the dough is being prepared here. And after done with that, we three of us, like my father, mother and me, started making puris. And also we came to know that the cake is here, as it was a home delivery. So yeah, it's looking yummy. Well, after that, after done with all of the work, I came here and saw this beautiful weather. Like, clouds are really so beautiful. And also, the place where I'm living is very greeny. That's what I love about it. And then, like, we all filled air into the balloons and also decorated the place where he will be cutting his cake. So, this is how it looks. Then I started studying a bit. Yeah, I'm studying molecular basis of inheritance because it has already started in my school. So I need to cover it up. And after studying it for around 1 or 1.5 hours, started studying surface chemistry. And yeah, I'm doing the surface chemistry because it is also going in my school.
Happy birthday to you.
Well, after done with my studies, it was the time to cut the cake, and everyone was ready with their like clothes on. And look at this dashing boy cutting his cake. And everyone was also there from my society. It's really great to spend time with these people, and also everyone was very happy. And here he's like what breaking the cake. It's a peanut cake or hammer cake, I don't know. I have seen it for the very first time in my whole life. It was gifted by an auntie, and thank you auntie for this. It was really yum. As I was not in the video, so that's the reason I have placed some of this picture just to make sure that yes, even I have enjoyed a bit of this party. Not a bit, but a lot. Yes, even I was there. Well, it was the time for dinner. There was puri, chole, dahi vada, kheer, mithai, and all of that. And we all were sitting in my room because first thing there was AC, and the second thing it was very crowded outside. And then I went downstairs, and here are all of the things which were made. And look at that small boy. He was just trying to get attention. Just he just needed attention. And here everyone was eating, and I was just embarrassing them by taking their videos. And here is my brother. He's trying to just get the attention of the camera. I knew it. So yes, we are done with the day. We enjoyed a lot, and also it's 12:30 right now. We had to clean the house as well. It was a big mess, but that's all right. The love and all of the enjoyment what we did, it was really worth it. But yeah, so this was all about this video, and I might not look tired to you because I'm a night owl. You all might be knowing it. Yeah, this was all about this video. If you like it, then consider subscribing my channel, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, share it with others if you like it. And we'll be meeting you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.